Yes, my people, it's been a long time. Just an update where I am right now. Welcome back to the YouTube channel Linet Solar Travels, courtesy of Ispanet Services. We are heading to site. We are in Nairobi City, heading to Karen, Nairobi, to see our client and to update some machines there. I'm gonna update you on what we are going to do once we are there. We are on our way here. Engineer, will you say hi? Engineer is driving. It's been a long way, and small engineer is here in the middle busy. Baba, say hi. Say hi. It's okay, guys, you can see we are on our way now to site. Yes, back to the city. This is Langata Road. Yeah, this is Langata Road, guys. Barracks. Want to capture there because terms and conditions, guys, it is a restricted area. I'm not allowed to cover that area. Guys, drive with us to our destination, Karen, Nairobi. Yeah, the Kenya wildlife area, this area. Get easy, there you can see it. Central forest, guys. We have wild animals here. It's the forest area. Accident, guys. Wow. Hey, maybe no camera. Galleria interchange. I'm gonna update you once we are there to Kiwa site. Yeah, and now we've left the town setup. You can see it's very cool, quiet environment. Here where the rich stays in the city. Very cool, quiet, a lot of trees around. It's as if you are in the village, you are still in the city. Forest around, all over, trees all over. The beautiful houses are hidden inside. inside the forest. That is the kind of life they want. A peaceful life. These are the private roads. We call them private roads. You'll never see a matatu around. The donkeys around. Peaceful, cool, a lot of trees around. There we are.
Come on now. Beautiful home with a lot of flowers around. Guys, it is a very cool environment. I feel the breeze, the cool breeze from trees around. Wow, wow, wow. We are still in Nairobi as if we are in the village, guys. Na tuko site, tumefika site. We want to do 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna update you on what we are going to do. See beautiful trees, very big, beautiful flowers around. Wow, wow, wow. Very cool environment. Here we are, Karen, Nairobi, Kenya. Simple, beautiful building. Supply goes to the house. We need to.
The main power supply.
Supply to the house.
Yeah, guys, so we're gonna update you on whatever we are going to do here. It was just a call from a client to come check on 1, 2, 3. Yeah. There we are.
So guys, wherever I go, any place I go, I have to look for something interesting for my subscribers. Here I have some good interesting. This is a simple structure here. There is a simple structure, beautiful structure within this compound. They are doing poultry farming at the same time. Poultry farming, guys, in this beautiful build area, and it's very interesting. I just wanted to share with you, for those who are struggling to build a poultry farming house or a structure. Very simple, cost effective. Here we are. Check with me. See guys, it is a story building. We have the ground floor and the first floor. Very simple, very simple. And this can hold up to 400 bats. The way it is very simple, the way you are seeing it here. You see, this is the first floor. We have first floor and the ground floor here. And you can see, guys, you don't have to struggle to build a huge thing. Let's say if you have a small piece of land, you can do a story building for your poultry. Poultry farming is the sweetest, very nice thing, very nice investment that motivates someone, and it has got a good money. So I had to share this one with my subscribers, Lynette Solar Travels. Yeah. So let me just show you. This is the ground floor, guys. The ground floor is for pure kienyeji, and you can see them. And this is the first floor layers. There are still young layers here. I don't know whether you can see them. There are very many. Wow. Guys, this is how you can build a simple story poultry house. Story building, guys. Very simple, interesting. See, like these ones are pure kienyeji with only one cock. You can see the huge cock. If you want to start an investment, guys, start this as early as today. As early as today. This is the stairs going upstairs. Yes. I just wanted to show you how the inside looks like. Wow, they look beautiful. These are pure layers, guys. And you can see how spacious it is. Very interesting, guys. See how they are drinking water. I know someone watching this loves this too. This is gonna motivate someone to start this kind of project. Guys, support this. Money, ready money, I tell you. Are you falling in love with this type of structure? Guys, wow. Very interested, well taken care of. This is their feeder. Well ventilated. You can see how it's a chicken wire. Good ventilation. So I have to share this with you people because I know it's gonna change the mind of someone. Well ventilated for their good health. No, it's very clean. You can see the sodas on the ground. It's very fresh. And there is where the kienyeji, they are brooding, and that is their nest. their laying point on the far end. I don't know whether you can see at the far end. It's where they lay their eggs. Very simple. And you can see those cross trays here where they can stand on, they jump on. It is always very important for their health. They do exercise. They need to do exercise too. Your birds need to do exercise too. So you have to provide this for them always. Wow. And you see this place can hold up to 400 birds. It's very spacious. A very simple structure, cost effective. This one won't cost much. You can see the iron sheets up, not much. The ground, you can see here. From here up to the ground is iron sheet. Then from here up to the middle here is chicken wire. Conducive environment, fresh ventilation is getting in. They can access the fresh air. Guys, this is so interesting, very interesting. I have to share this with you people. You can see there's some water where the drinking water is coming from. These are the drinkers. This is where the drinking water is coming from. It is being pumped. That is the tank that holds the drinking water. So guys, I feel like I'm gonna motivate someone who is interested in starting poultry farming, a beginner, and even if you are not a beginner, you want to upgrade your structure. This is another simple, best, cost effective that can hold up to 800 birds, guys. Are we together? Up to ground floor will hold up to 400 birds, and upstairs, that is the first floor, will hold up to another 400 birds. And if you want to do mixed farming, that is, you want to major in pure kienyeji, at the same time you want to work on layers too, this is the better option for you. Very simple. The better option is here. Pick ideas. This channel, I told you, it's mainly to motivate someone, to educate someone, to share ideas with someone who is struggling, who is in poultry farming but has no ideas how to build a structure, how to take care of the birds, how to feed them, what type of feed to give them. That is the main purpose of this channel. If you are watching this video for the first time, if you are tuning in for the first time, new viewers, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel. I appreciate your love and support always, my subscribers, for always coming back to watch my videos. I'm humble. I really appreciate this far is you guys. That's why if I find any interesting point, idea, note, anything that it's worth sharing, I will share. First-hand information, Lynette Solar Travels. And here to co-site, courtesy of Isvanet Services. Check us out, the services we offer at Isvanet Services. Guys, this is Karen, Nairobi City, Karen, Kenya. The type of feed they're feeding on is there. Let me just show you guys. This is the layers mash. It's right there. Yeah. Those are the feeds. Yes, Papa. Unaendesha gari. Who gave you this one? you found something interesting for you too. Interesting. You know how to ride? Aya, ride ukienda huko. Elekea huko. Ride ukienda ile side. Enda ile side. Wow. Uko. Young engineer is also riding riding a small bicycle. Where are you heading to? You'll fall down. Kuja huku. Yeah, guys, this is worth sharing. Oh, very curious. Let me see what he's doing. Come this side. Let's move this side, Baba. Let's move this way. Yeah, push your ride. Okay, go and enjoy. Yeah, enjoy. Go and enjoy.
Mom.
Yes. Yeah, tunaenda. You see, this is the idea. I don't know whether you are seeing what I'm seeing here. See, when the sun is up here, you can see they're really all of them will come towards this side, and you can see them. They are really enjoying basking at the sun. The sun is cool, not that strong. They're really enjoying vitamin D for everyone. Very curious, they're running. Kuja huku utaanguka. They're very curious, guys. So this is the idea. New ideas are coming in on a daily basis. With poultry farming, guys, you'll never go broke. You will never go broke, I tell you. You will never go broke. Just do the right thing, but no shortcuts. I'm advising you always. Don't go the shortcut way. Even when it comes to feeding them, just provide for them the quality feeds. Yeah, hygiene always. I can't do a video without talking about hygiene. It is what keeps us going strong in poultry farming. Yeah. So somewhere I know you are going to start building your poultry house, a simple structure that will hold for you up to 100 birds. Story building for poultry house. Wow. Now this is gonna help someone who is planning to adjust their poultry house or who is planning to start poultry farming. I know it's gonna help someone. So tell me where you're watching me from. Today we are in Nairobi, Kenya. This is Karen. It looks like a village. It's cool. It's where someone can do poultry here. The environment is very cool with a lot of trees. So many trees around. Cool environment. I love it. It's cool. Just share where you're watching this video from. Beautiful flowers around. My love for flowers, guys. My love for flowers. I tell you, I love flowers. So guys, I just wanted you to study this structure keenly, and you are the one who knows how many birds do you want to keep, how many birds are you having, how many birds are you planning to have in the future, and that one will determine the type of structure you need to bring up the type of the structure you need to bring up that can hold that number of the birds that you want to bring up, or you are planning to do some adjustment in your farm. I'm gonna walk inside again. Walk with me inside, study inside. Even outside I've shown you. So this is the bottom. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. So this is the way. Tachapa wewe. So study it from outside. Then I'm walking in again for the second time so that you see it well. This is the outside, guys. Down from the bottom, that is an iron sheet, followed by the chicken wire. This one will even protect them when it is raining. During rainy season, when it is too cold, this one will protect them. That's why on the ground we have to do this iron sheet, then and the middle we do chicken wire for proper ventilation. And this structure also is so good in that when it is during cold season, you can bring up a capera or whatever you want. You cover this place at night. During sunny seasons, you just leave it this way. It is still safe for them. So you check this, the ground floor from here, and just check the measurement for yourself. Just want to show you how it is. We're gonna call it the way it is. I'm gonna show you how it is. So you can just take the measurement from the bottom up to this place. This is the ground floor. You don't need a big place to start poultry farming. You don't need a huge environment. You work smart, working smart. We call it working smart, guys. Ground floor from here up to here. Then from here, the first floor starts. From here up to the roof, you can see. Proper ventilation is always important when you are doing a poultry structure. It is always very important when you are doing a poultry house. So let's come this side. Ground, you do pure kienyeji or mixed. Up, you do your layers. Let me just get in. These are kienyeji. They are too natural. Kienyeji are too natural, guys. You can see these ones are just resting over here. They're laying over there. This is the laying point for your kienyeji. See how simple it is. Very simple, very simple. The laying point, they're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the entrance. This is like a door. And you can jump here, and there is a fresh sawdust on the ground. Very clean. Fresh sawdust. This is the nest. Now we are talking of the nest. Simple and smart. simple and smart, guys. See, so nice. This is where they're gonna start laying their eggs, the kienyeji ones now. With the fresh sawdust inside. Yeah. I told you, if you want to ensure or if you want to know whether your poultry house is conducive, it's good for the health of your birds, stay there for more than 30 minutes. If you can be there peacefully for more than 30 minutes, then that place is good for your birds. Fresh, fresh, fresh. Nanukia. Fresh environment. They're like human beings. They need fresh air. They need to eat natural foods. We call them pure kienyeji. There we go. They're very expensive in the market. If you want to focus on pure kienyeji, I will advise you do it. It has a good money. Yeah, you see, like the cock I'm talking about, the cock you're seeing over there, it goes for 2,000 shillings. 2,000, that is Kenyan shillings. Clean money. You're not stealing from anyone. Feeding them, it has got weight. That is clean money, guys. Getting money, it's not difficult. But you have to get tired for you to get that money. If you don't want to get tired, if you don't want to get dirty, then go for your white collar job. Where that one? Wacha kufungua watatoka. See this young gentleman. If you want to go for white collar job, guys, we make money. In a month, poultry farmer can pocket up to 200,000 shillings. It depends what type of farming are you doing. Are you focusing on pure kienyeji? Are you focusing on other breeds? Are you focusing on broilers only? Are you focusing on layers only? So it's you to decide depending on where you are, your location, the location of the farm. Kuja, Naki, kuja, kuja. Unawashtua, he's scaring them, guys. So that's all for the ground. For the ground, very simple, looks lovely and smart. The big hawk, and that is the baba that takes care of them. Usikuje utaanguka. Usikuje. Yeah, I'm back here again. Just want to show you. I want someone to take note of what they are seeing. Mama, take note of what you can see. You know what you want in your farm. You know the type of farming you are doing. You know the type of structure you want to bring up. So it's upon you to decide. Are you gonna copy the style, or you're gonna do yours in a special way? It's you to decide, guys. So I'm here back to show you. Just show you from up the ventilation. Proper ventilation is done. You can check around. Sasa, kopa. Tuka huko mbele na engineer. Huko mbele. Kidogo.